Hey guys, we have the next example, that is conversion of regular grammar for a given finite automata, and in this example we have the initial state as final state itself. Okay, so I have listed here all the tuples of given finite automata and I have considered G as the resultant grammar with the tuples V, T, P, S. So here we have two states, so resultant grammar will have two variables 0 and 1 as alphabet, so terminals will be A and B, and Q0 as initial state, so S means start symbol will be A0. Okay, now we will convert all the given transitions into production state. Okay, so as we have already discussed that first we have to consider third rule, that is we have to check first whether the initial state is final state or not. Okay, so here in this case we have initial state as final state, so we have to add explicit production, that is S tends to empty. Okay, so first production will be S tends to empty because initial state itself is a final state, so S takes value empty explicitly according to third rule. Okay, now the second, consider the transition, that is delta of Q0 0 is equal to Q0 0 is equal to Q0 itself, and Q0 is now final state. That's why we have to apply second rule, that is we have to add two transitions. Okay, so instead of A0 Q0 I'll take A0 tends to 0 A0 and A0 tends to 0. Okay, now next production, that is delta of Q0 1 is equal to Q1, and Q1 is not final state, so we will apply first rule, that is A0 tends to 1 A1. Okay, we will add single production. Okay, now we will consider fourth. Okay, so now delta of Q1 0 is equal to Q1. Okay, so Q1 is not final state, so we have to apply second rule. Okay, so we have to add single transition, that is single production, that is A1 tends to 0 A1, and last we have transition, that is delta of Q1 1 is equal to Q0, and now Q0 is final state, so this will get converted into two production, that is A1 tends to 1 A0 and A1 tends to 1. Okay, lastly we will list out all the productions. Okay, so first is what? S tends to empty, so instead of S here, S corresponds to A0, so sorry, I'll write here A0 tends to empty. Okay, so first is what? A0 tends to empty. Okay, so empty, then A0 tends to 0 A0 and 0, then again A0 tends to 1 A1. Okay, I will write it down, A0 tends to 1 A1. Okay, now next A1 tends to 0 A1 or A1 tends to 1 A0 or 1. Okay, so this will be resultant set of production for a given finite automata. Okay, hope so you have understood this. If you have any queries, then please comment on it, and never forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.